Tower 210 Juliet, we'd like to clear an emergency this time. We're going to do a zero landing.
0 Juliet, Roger. Center left down when I got fire trucks down there for the engine out, twin and runway 16 clear line.
And would it be better if we waited till they were ready to come over, or are they busy?
Say again.
And would you like us to circle a little bit and wait the way the fire trucks can be positioned, or do you want us to go ahead?
0 Juliet, you can do whatever you need to do. The airport or the fire department vehicles are as close as they can get without getting on the runway.
Okay, thanks. Like I said, we're not expecting anything. I just want to make sure everybody's ready.
Are there any fire department vehicles on frequency? We're 0 Juliet, runway 16 clear, low approach. Over the fire department vehicles are out there, but they're not on frequency. We're trying to get them on frequency.
Okay, we'll do a low approach to 0 Juliet.
We're 0 Juliet. There's another Cessna departing. Should be no factor. That Centurion is
911
going to do a gear up landing. So if you guys could off position yourselves like around Delta. You're at the yellow fire truck at the south ramp, correct?
You still want 0 Juliet to low approach only?
Now 0 Juliet, I'll get back to you in just a second. 12, are you in comms with the rest of the emergency vehicles on the runway, on the airport? Or are they going to stage as well to follow you?
All those vehicles will be staging off, making primary when the aircraft touches down. Do you know how many persons are on board with this aircraft?
It's 3 souls on board with about 4.5 hours fuel remaining in time.
Okay, thank you.
We're 0 Juliet, just make this one a lower approach and while I finish this coordination.
Sounds good. No hurry. Tell everybody just make sure they're all set and ready.
R12, just let me know when everybody's in place and ready.
R12 positioning Delta.
R12, Roger, just hold short of the runway for now and just let me know when everybody's in place and ready.
I understand. We'll let you know. Arlington Tower to R12. How much fuel is on board again?
Arlington Tower 210 Juliet, we got about 2 hours of fuel.
2 hours of fuel. And your intent is to land without gear, is that correct?
That is affirmative. Gear up landing 210 Juliet.
Receive. R12 to Centurion, incoming Centurion.
R12, you have all your vehicles in position and are you ready to respond?
That's correct. Is there any way that they could, we could request for them to fly around for maybe another 15 to 20 minutes to dispatch more of that fuel on board?
0 Juliet, did you catch that request?
Yes, sir. 210 Juliet. We'll circle the pattern for a little bit longer.
Roger, thank you. Juliet, I just got a call from somebody who just dealt with a situation like yours, and I'm sure you've already tried this, but I'm going to run it by you anyways, that when you're pumping the emergency handle to make sure it's all the way out and to make sure you're pumping all the way up and all the way down.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we tried that multiple times. Yes, sir.
Are there any fire department vehicles on tower frequency? Centurion said he's ready to make his approach. Are you guys ready for him?
That's affirmative. We have all that apparatus in place, and whenever he's feels comfortable enough to make that approach, then we're good with that.
All right, he's midfield now. He's going to be landing momentarily. We're 0 Juliet Juliet. Fire Department's ready for you. Runway 16, clear to land.
Runway 16, clear to land. 0 Juliet Juliet. And just double checking for 0 Juliet Juliet. Sure you don't want us to put it in the grass or taxiway or something like that we won't block up the runway?
We're 0 Juliet Juliet. I'm not going to compromise your safety. Just keep the runway open. Runway 1, land on the runway. Runway 16, clear to land.
Roger that. Runway 16, clear to land. 0 Juliet Juliet.
Park 12 and company proceed on the runway. Are there any ops vehicles on frequency? Airport 2, yeah, we're just wondering if, the tower suspended runway operations, but we were wondering if you guys are actually closing the runway.